Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue. Today I'm going to share a quick and easy burrito that's vegetarian and ready in 20 minutes. I've had my pan heating up, so now I'm going to pop in some veggie oil or rapeseed oil. There's about a tablespoon. In here, I just chopped half an onion before we started filming. And I like to cook my mushrooms down so they're quite small. So I've got 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. And I've got 1 cup or half of a zucchini, which I've chopped finely as well. I think it's important to have the vegetables quite fine in a burrito so you can munch into it and it's not too hard. So we need to cook these down for about 5 minutes. And the other things I'm going to add in today, I've got some medium fajita mix, which was like a store-bought one, but I also have my own homemade Mexican spice mix, which I'll pop a link above. I've got half a cup of crushed tomatoes. I've got some black beans. I think that's about half a cup. Or you can use green lentils, white beans, or you can leave it out and swap it out for rice. Or if you want meat, you can add some meat, like chopped chicken, or you can do some mince. And in here I've got some green edamame beans because they're one of my favorites. So it's quite a high protein, but still vegetarian. We still like to eat cheese, but if you wanted to make it vegan, just leave the cheese out. It's going to add the lid to help that sweat down. But before I do that, I've got 2 small cloves of garlic in here, which I'm just going to crush in. I think my garlic crusher is actually broken. It's making a funny loud noise. See if that works. It's not happy, so I'm just going to chop these up. So I'll slide the garlic in. Now I kind of ad lib when I make this sometimes. If I don't have garlic or onion in the house, sometimes I add a little bit of garlic powder or onion powder, or I just leave it out. It's kind of like quite versatile. You can mix and match to whatever flavours you've got or whatever you've got in the house at the time. I'm just going to pop the lid on. So it's just zoomed you in. That's kind of sweated down quite a lot now. So now I'm going to add in my fajita or taco spice mix, Mexican spice mix, which was an 18-gram packet or 2.5 tablespoons. That was only a medium one, so we like our burritos a little bit on the spicy side. So I'm going to add a little bit of extra chilli. This is optional. You can add salt. I find the packet spice is quite salty, so I'm not adding extra salt. I'm going to add in the half a cup of crushed tomatoes. When tomatoes are in season, I add like 6 little cherry tomatoes and a little bit of water. But I don't have any in the house today, so I'm just adding the crushed tomatoes. Then I'm going to add in my beans. They're black beans and the edamame beans, because these are high in soy. And they just make a really pretty colour. I'm just going to simmer that for about 5 minutes and I'll pop the lid on again. So all the cooking's finished and I'll just leave this in the pot here for now. Of course, it's quite early for us to have dinner. So this is all ready to eat for later on. And burritos are so fun to make. So you just pop the filling into your medium-sized burrito or tortilla, shell, add cheese, avocado, leaves, whatever you've got in the house. We love this quick and easy style dinner, and I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments below if you give my burrito recipe a go. If you're feeding it for a family, you might want to add rice to make it serve 4. This serves roughly about 2 to 3. We usually eat generous helpings and have a little bit left over for lunch. Thanks for watching, and I'll pop a few other quick dinner ideas above. And I'll see you next time. Bye.